safe in Goa. There have been increasing incidents of violence against women. There have been increasing incidents of violence against children. Relatively safe, but I think lots more needs to be done. I think lots of women's groups itself have been campaigning over the years for better police stations, for better investigations of crime, for maybe CCTV cameras in much more vantage places, lighting on our beaches. Many of these things like support structures would have helped at least in, if not completely eradicating issues of violence against women, but in some way reducing the instances of such cases.
Safety of women in Goa is a question which has been asked not this last decade or 2 decades ago or 3 decades ago. It has always been an eternal problem. In the last decade, that is in the last 10 years, women and active groups in Goa are becoming more vocal on it because of the many atrocities, not only on women, it's Women's Day today, but safety is of the general public in Goa. Nobody is safe. You have a look at all the, who is being hit and who is being, this whole culture of these, what are those we call it? The whole culture of bouncers, okay? Please edit that for me. So you see the whole culture of bouncers, okay? It's increasing. What is the bouncers all about? Bouncers is violence, legalized violence. And this is used in everything, whether it be even in trafficking in women, whether it be you're gone to some restaurant, you're gone to some club. The bouncers are very much part of, earlier we used to say security. Now it is, when you look at what is the security everywhere, there's no security like as understood in the older days where you used to have, some gurkha, what we used to call. You have bouncers everywhere. And if you think bouncers is the answer to safety, bouncers is not the answer to safety. Bouncers, their presence increases violence, increases being more unsafe because they are there to promote a certain cause. They are there in places where things which are happening are not likable things. So on this Women's Day, it would be good for us to reflect back on not only looking at what and how our state has progressed, because progress, as has been understood even by economists, when women are safe, the state is safe. When old people are safe, the state is safe. When children are safe, the state is safe.